So I wanted to show you guys the crullers I fried. I got finished frying them about 10 or 15 minutes ago. I wanted to show you a difference. So when I started out frying them, I had it on my burner just right here because I wanted to be able to film it easily. And the burner was not keeping my heat consistent. I was watching on the thermometer, it dropped like 25 degrees, and that's the result of these donuts. I mean, they're okay, but look at the difference. So when I decided, I didn't want to sacrifice my donuts just to be able to get it on film, I moved my a pan of hot oil to the stove top, and look at the difference. And that's the thing with frying donuts, is the temperature has to be really consistently hot. Too low and it takes longer to fry, and in the process absorbs a lot more oil. So I can tell you this is very heavy compared to this one, which is really light, full of air. So I mean, that's okay, lesson learned. We really need a consistent heat source for our donuts, but we've got 7 beautiful ones. We'll keep these runty ones back here. So now we're going to dip them into our glaze. It's just citrus glaze. So I'm following the recipe from Bake From Scratch magazine, except for the orange zest. I kind of just cheated a little bit and used some candied orange peel that I had made. And I loved it so much and I really wanted to use it. So I just chopped up some candied orange peel in my citrus glaze. So now I'm gonna dip them, and so the recipe says you could use 2 forks to lift them up, but I happen to have these chocolate dipping forks. These are for dipping truffles and chocolates and so on. So we're going to get both sides of the cruller, and we're just going to dip them here. We want to get both sides, but you want to be kind of gentle because you don't want to crush your nice airy cruller. And then I'm just going to lift gently with my chocolate dipping forks, take the extra glaze off, and the rest will come off on this rack that we're going to dry them on. So then we're going to dip our next one. And I probably want to get a better coating on this one. I didn't do enough glaze on the last one. That's nice. Probably want to get just this side really quick too, because really a cruller is glazed on all sides. Okay, so that's nice. And that's going to dry for about 15 minutes, and we'll keep dipping these. All right, so I'm gonna keep going, dipping these and then drying it for 15 minutes, and then I'll show you what these lovely crullers look like once they're all dried. But unfortunately, I'm going to eat them by myself.